Scheduling syncs ensures your data is automatically synchronized according to a predefined schedule. You can enable a schedule within a project or a sync by checking the scheduled box. You can then select the days of the week the schedule should run, the start time for the schedule, and the interval. A schedule in FileSync is set up as a Windows scheduled task. You'll find within your task scheduler library a folder called GRAITEC FileSync. If we look at the schedule we just created, it's set to run the task using the following account and to only run when user is logged on. To ensure the scheduled task can run whether a user is logged on or not, you can apply the following settings in FileSync. From FileSync, we can go to Settings. In the settings, you'll see the Windows user ID. We can provide a different Windows user if required. For example, a service account used for backups or schedules. Let's enter our backup account as the Windows user ID. We can then enter the password. To verify the credentials, click Test Credentials. We can see those credentials are valid and we can save changes. If we refresh our task scheduler folder, we can see that the task is now set to run whether user is logged on or not. This means if other users log in, the schedule will be triggered and it will still be able to initiate a sync. An additional step is required if you want to run a schedule when a user is signed out. To do this, the window user needs to be assigned to the Log On as Batch Job access rights. To set this up, we go to Windows Local Security Policy. We then go to Local Policies, User Rights Assignment, and we'll see Log On as Batch Job. We can then add the user or group. To ensure reliable scheduling, it's important to verify that the schedules work as intended. We highly recommend you run a test on the schedule to ensure the task triggers correctly. And additionally, run the tests under the expected conditions. For example, signing out of Windows.